She's the comms director, joining us via Zoom. Good morning, Krystal.
Good morning. Can you hear me? I'm on my phone. I don't typically do it from my phone. Okay, good morning. Good morning, KUIM, and good morning, Guam.
Good morning. So there was a new EO drop, I want to say late yesterday afternoon. What's the gist of the new executive order coming out from the governor?
That is correct, Chris. Late yesterday afternoon, Governor Leon Guerrero signed Executive Order 2021-03, and it basically does three things. So it extends the public health emergency, and now it's set to expire on March 1st, 2021. As you know, we've been going month to month, and we know that the pandemic is far from over, so we're going to extend another month. March 1st is now the new expiration for that public health emergency. The second thing that Executive Order 2021-03 does is effective February 1st, and that's Monday, at 8 a.m., this EO increases the social gathering limit to no more than 25 people. So as you know, you guys are really good at reporting this. The people of Guam have done an incredible job at containing COVID. We have very good evidence that there is little to no community spread. We've maintained this low CAR score. There are very few hospitalizations. As of this morning, there are 6 hospitalizations at GMH. So very few hospitalizations, fewer deaths. I'm happy to report that. And the nightly JIC report's also reporting fewer positive cases, and a significant amount of those positive cases we are reporting are coming from quarantine, so they are travel related. So that is the second major thing. We increased the social gathering limit effective Monday to 25 people. The last thing it really does is effective Monday again, we'll also see changes to our COVID differential pay. And this is in line with our P Core 2 status as well as our robust vaccination efforts. So in line with that, we've reduced the number of employees who are eligible for differential pay. We've also reduced that percentage. So a reduction in differential pay right now, it really makes sense. These are the same frontliners, the same groups who we prioritize for the COVID-19 vaccine. So we provided that extra layer of protection. And for the remaining workforce who used to be category 2 and 3, we are confident in the significant mitigation efforts we have in place and the science in place. So those are the three main things it does. Any questions?
Is the open government law still suspended?
I believe so. There's no changes to that at this time.
But
that's the gist of it.
Yeah. I mean, we're in P Core 2. You don't think that we've figured out how to do things to comply with the open government law by now?
I'll check with legal, and that's very likely. You know, as we're starting to open up, we definitely can start to have some face-to-face interaction. Now we're increasing social gathering limits, so most definitely I'll check with legal and I'll get back to you on that.
Did you know if the governor had a stance on Senator Joanne Brown's bill that would bar individuals convicted of official misconduct from getting employed in the government of Guam?
I actually haven't had that conversation with her. I'm actually late for my 10 o'clock meeting with her because I'm here right now. I can ask her about that, though.
Okay.
I do want to report about bars, though.
Yeah.
I do know that that's a very contentious thing right now. Governor Leon Guerrero has directed the Department of Public Health and Social Services to work with the Guam Hotel and Restaurant Association, to work with GHRA to develop the protocols so that we can safely open bars. So we can see that in the very near future. So Mary Rhodes was very instrumental in helping to develop the protocols for opening our restaurants and our dining establishments. So she, again, will be the lead in this. So if you are a bar owner and you want to start opening your doors, we definitely encourage you to reach out to GHRA. Public Health is already tracking this. They were directed to work directly with GHRA so we can open bars, and when we do it, we can open it safely. As you know, we did want to just try to focus on the schools opening, and so far we've been 2 weeks now with face-to-face instruction. It's doing well. We've been able to vaccinate hundreds of teachers and school-based staff, so now would be the time to start making those steps forward towards opening bars and also senior centers. I do understand that senior centers and bars are the most outstanding things that we haven't touched yet, haven't allowed to open. So those would be the next steps.
Knowing Mary, she probably wrote that up yesterday. She already has it ready to go. You need that? There it is.
Oh.
No, I'm talking about Mary.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Krystal.
Thank you so much for having me. I gotta go.
Okay.
All right,
bye.
take care. All right.
Bye, guys.